ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः।
ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः।
ॐ श्री चल
ॐ श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः कर्मयोगः।
very good. Chapter 3, 9th verse. Okay.
Yes.
Whatever I say, you repeat 3 times. Okay. यज्ञार्थात्
यज्ञार्था
यज्ञार्थात्
यज्ञार्थात् यज्ञ
See, I tell you word by word. Yajna, yajnart, ra and tha sound is there, and then light ta sound is there. But actually, that vibhajana is, I am telling only for the clarity. But yajnarthat karmanonyatra
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र
यज्ञार्थात्
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 यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणो
कर्मणो
न्यत्र कर्मणोऽन्यत्र
कर्मणोऽन्यत्र
कर्मणो णा sound should be there कर्मणोऽन्यत्र
कर्मणोऽन्यत्र
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र.
Very good. Can you tell 3 times?
Yes, ma'am. यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र.
Very good. लोकोऽयं कर्मबन्धनः
कर्मबन्धनः.
Very good. Okay, can you repeat 3 times?
Yes, ma'am. लोकोऽयं
कर्मबन्धनः
कर्मबन्धनः कर्मबन्धनः.
Very good. Okay, we will say the entire line. यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्मबन्धनः
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्मबन्धनः.
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्मबन्धनः
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्मबन्धनः. यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्मबन्धनः.
One more time.
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्मबन्धनः.
Okay, very good. तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय
कर्म कौन्तेय
Tadartham
Tadartham
karma kaunteya.
Karma Kaunteya.
Tadartham karma kaunteya.
Tadartham Karma Kaunteya.
Tadartham karma kaunteya.
Tadartham Karma Kaunteya.
Mukta sangha.
Mukta Sangha.
Ga is very light. Okay. Ha is half. Okay. Mukta sangha.
Mukta Sangha.
Mukta sangha samachara.
Mukta Sangha. Samarchara.
Samachara.
Samachara.
Samachara. Samachara is not there. Samachara.
Samarchara.
Samachara.
Samachara.
Okay. Mukta sangha samachara.
Mukta Sangha. Samachara.
Mukta sangha samachara.
Mukta Sangha. Samachara.
Mukta sangha samachara.
Mukta Sangha. Samachara.
Very good. Tadartham karma kaunteya. Mukta sangha samachara. Tadartham karma kaunteya. Mukta sangha samachara.
Tadartham Karma Kaunteya. Mukta Sangha. Samachara.
Okay, very good. Now we will say from right beginning. Okay,
Yes.
can you tell this second line on your own 3 times?
Yes, ma'am.
Tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangha samachara.
Tadartham Karma Kaunteya. Mukta Sangha. Samachara.
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 Very good. Okay.
Tadartham Karma Kaunteya. Mukta Sangha. Samachara.
Very good.
Tadartham Karma Kaunteya. Mukta Sangha. Samachara.
Yajnarthat karmano nyatra lokoyam karma bandhanah tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangha samachara.
Jnanartham.
Yajnarthat karmano Yajnarthat karmano nyatra lokoyam karma bandhanah tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangha samachara. Yajnarthat karmano nyatra lokoyam karma bandhanah tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangha samachara. 3 times.
Yajnarthat Karma. Yajnarthat. Ma'am, third stress.
Yes. But
Yajna-
normal ta is next. Okay. Yajnarthat karmano. Karmano. So sound should be there. Karmano nyatra.
Ya- Yag- Yagnatra.
Yajnat. Yajna.
Yajnarthat Karmano. Yagnarthat Karmano Nyatra. Lokoyam Karma Bandhanah. Tadartham.
Bandhana. Bandhana.
Bandhanah.
Yajnartat karmano nyatra lokoyam karma bandhanah.
Yagnarthat Karmano Nyatra. Lokoyam Karma Bandhanah. Tadartham Karma. Tadartham Karma. Karma
Kaunteya.
Tadartham Karma Kaunteya. Muktasa.
Sangha
Mukta Sangha Samachara.
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 Very good. Samachara. That's all. Okay. Another 2 times you have to tell. Yajnarthat karmano nyatra lokoyam karma bandhanah tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangha samachara. Like that. Okay. Another 2 times you tell.
Yagnarthat karmano.
Yagna, you should not say yajna.
Yajnarthat karmano nyatra lokoyam karma bandhanah tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangha samachara. Yajnarthat karmano nyatra lokoyam karma bandhanah tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangha samachara.
See, mukta sangha, we should not say. Then what happens? Mukta ha, like that it sounds. Okay. Mukta sangha. Mukta sangha.
Mukta sangha samachara.
But you should not say mukta sangha. Mukta. There you should not take pause because it sounds aha sound. Half ha sound. Okay. So that we should not do. That is akshara dosham will happen. Okay. Mukta sangha samachara.
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 Very good. Okay. Now can you tell one more time the entire one?
Yes, ma'am. Yajnarthat karmano nyatra lokoyam karma bandhanah tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangha samachara.
Very good. Samachara. Samachara. Okay. Very good. Now Avni.
Yes, ma'am.
You repeat after me. Just
Okay,
3
ma'am.
times. Okay. Whatever I say, that line 3 times. 2 lines 3 times.
Ma'am.
And whole thing 3 times. Okay.
Ma'am.
Tell me. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Can I chant after Avni?
After Avni, you can chant. Okay. Then Harshendra, you have to listen to everyone.
Okay.
Okay. And you practice when they are practicing rightly. Okay. Avni. Yajnarthat karmano nyatra lokoyam karma bandhanah.
Yagnarthat karmano nyatra lokoyam karma bandhanah.
Yajna. Okay. Yajna, we should not say yajna. Yajnarthat karmano nyatra. Yajnarthat karmano nyatra. Yajnarthat karmano nyatra. Lokoyam karma bandhanah.
Yagnarthat karmano nyatra lokoyam karma bandhanah.
Very good. Tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangha samachara.
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 Very good. Okay, now entire shlokam, once I repeat, you tell 3 times. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yajnarthat karmano nyatra lokoyam karma bandhanah tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangha samachara.
Yagnarthat karmano nyatra लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धनः तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसङ्गः समाचर
Good. Another two times.
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धनः तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसङ्गः समाचर यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र
Yajnarthat.
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धनः तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसङ्गः समाचर
Very good. Okay. Next. Adhya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
You want to tell or you want me to repeat?
ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, very good. Tell.
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धनः तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसङ्गः समाचर
Slight corrections. Yajnarthat karmanonyatra loko. And I tell you, lokoyam karma bandhanaha. See, that stresses to be heard and also light things also to be heard. Everything should be very clear. Okay. Tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangha samachara. Okay, here.
Ma'am, is it tadartham or tadartham?
See, tadartham. Tadartham. Okay.
Tadartham.
Tadartham not. Tadartham. Karma kaunteya. Okay. यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्मबन्धनः तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसङ्गः समाचर.
Okay. यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धनः तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसङ्गः समाचर.
Very good. One more time. Focus more on all stresses and where not stresses. Okay.
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धनः तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसङ्गः समाचर.
Very good. One more time you tell.
यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणोऽन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धनः तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसङ्गः समाचर.
Very good. Now Harshendra,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell on your own or you want me to help?
Ma'am, let me try.
Should I stop recording or you want me to record?
Stop recording.
Just a minute. Om Hari Om Tat Sat.